Bypass tools, I love bypass tools, and I especially like them when they open a wide variety of locks. So what we've got here are just a handful of masters, and I tell you, these are out there in the millions. You trip over locks like this, and they are also cloned in the millions. So it might not say master on it, but what is inside is identical. And the great thing about that is that a simple comb pick can open all of these locks. So this, I know, is a Master 104. It's a 4-pin lock, and it just takes this little bypass tool to open it up. Now, you're probably used to traditional pin picking where you have to lift each pin one at a time to the shear line, turn the lock open. Watch this. Bypass tool goes in, lift to the shear line, open. It's like a frickin' magic trick. That is so simple. We do it again. So also 4-pin, just a different hasp on this one. Tool goes in, lock opens. This is definitely faster than picking it open. Maybe you could be quicker raking. We can talk about that another time, but I think we can agree this is fast. The way it works. So inside the lock, you're going to have the spring, you're going to have the top pin, you're going to have the bottom pin. Generally, again, you got to lift that up to the shear line, get them all lined up, then turn. Look at the height of the tooth that is on this comb pick and how it goes from the top of the keyway, and it would sit perfectly at what the shear line is. That top of the circle there is the shear line. It is lifting all of the pins at the same time, and it lifts everything above the shear line, and that is what makes this work so quickly. You are lifting everything into the top of the lock and quickly opening it up. That is the Comb 45 by Sparrows. Now, if you like that, we also have comb bars. So what do you have here? You've got the same comb picks that we saw in the Comb 45, but on the other end, just to make it multifunctional, you get a top of keyway. So now you've got a tension wrench and you've got a bypass tool, all built into the same thing. Saves space, highly effective, great tool. If you don't have comb picks, I encourage you to get some. These are great, highly effective bypass tools by Sparrows.